Hi, Blue. Apollo, you are crazy today. You've become quite the stud. Are those boys crazy or what? Well, hey everybody, welcome back to Ozark Mountain Goats. We're having a great break in our winter weather, so I thought I'd jump on here real quick and give you a brief update about our girls. We are about 6 weeks out from kidding. So our first does to kid will be Maya here and Roxy. She's over there out of camera sight. But anyway, they are due to kid in 6 weeks, and so we will be giving them their CD&T shots in a couple more weeks and getting them ready. And then, hello, Lilybell. Our next two after that will be Charo and Lily, and they'll be due around the middle of April. So we're getting geared up for kidding season. We're excited for it. Can't wait to see what we get out of our silver buck Apollo, and also Blue was bred to this girl here, Maya. And then our two smaller does will be kidding in the middle of May. So just wanted to let you know what we got going on around here. Also, Jim will probably be doing a video before too long on making a cheese press. So any of you folks out there that love homemade goat cheese and are interested in that, you'll have to check that out. Also, if any of you are interested in our homemade goat milk soap, be sure to check out Etsy and look for those varieties of goat milk soap that we have. We have a great deal where you can get 6 bars for around $35, and that includes free shipping. What are you girls doing? What are you doing? Hello, Luna. Roxy's got a nice baby bump going on. Look at those pretty girls. How about you, Charo? You got a baby bump? Hey, Luna. Hello, Luna girl. And Maya. Hey, Fancy. Charo. And Lilybell. Fancy, you think you got to be up there? Little Lily, napping in the sun. Roxy. Charo. So thanks for watching, everybody. Be sure and hit that like button, subscribe, ring that notification bell, and as always, we'll catch you later. Is that right, baby girl?